Otumfuo pays a working visit to Victoria and Albert Museum as part of his visit to the UK last week. And you recall somewhere in February this year, some Asante artifacts that were looted during the Sagaranti War of 1874. Some of them were returned from both the US and Britain, and specifically from this museum, the Albert and Victoria Museum in the UK. And there were a whole lot of talks about the fact that these artifacts were loaned to Menchia for a period of 6 years. And so I presume the tour is part of that deal.